Hi, I'm Bill Kesterkey with Key Exteriors. We're standing in front of the Dwayne and Susan Gray home here in northwestern Fort Wayne. Last year we did a complete exterior remodel on the home. We did everything. We did the windows, the siding, the roofing, the doors, the gutters, the shutters, the downspouts, the returns, the leaf product on top. We even did some of the stone, which you can see really turned out beautiful. One of the things the homeowner wanted to do, Dwayne and Susan wanted to replace their front door, and that's actually replaced it with a French door. And that's a maintenance-free, energy-efficient door with a super glass in it. The homeowners really like that and changed the look of the front. We also replaced the overhead garage doors, okay, to match that up. They have two different style doors, so we put lights or windows in the shorter door, and the other door, just so it didn't seem offset, we just made a solid door. Some of the other details by the door, we changed the sconce or the fixture here to blend that in, make a big difference. We also put a storm door in the back of the home and another entry door on the side of the home going into the garage. So we can take care of all kinds of doors for you. We can take entry doors, storm doors, sliding patio doors, French patio doors, whatever you need. We can custom make everything for your home. Once again, if you feel like your doors needed upgraded, or you need to add some security, or you've got some problems with maintenance or even wood deterioration around the frame, give us a call. One of our helpful staff will come out and take a look at your doors and provide a risk-free, down-to-the-penny quote. If you need some more information on entry doors, call Key Exteriors at 260-492-8062.